Hi, I'm making this video to let you guys know that I read a news that is a pig's kidney has been transplanted into a human body. So that's quite unnatural, and this is the first time it happened. A pig's kidney, like genetically modified dog, and yeah, you need the genetically modified things from the animals to transplant into a human body. Too much mosquito here, and weather is also kind of cold. So now time is also like I'm just close to a light. It's nighttime. Nighttime means in morning times, like that's okay. And what happened actually, a person, it's about 16th March it happened, from a mass institute, like Massachusetts Medical Institute, I think. And a few doctors, surgeons had done it, and it's promising, like the patients are now walking on the hall. That's what I saw. And okay, can you guys imagine, like a human just you know like kidney problem is around the world. It's a very big problem. Even in I'm living in Bangladesh, and in Bangladesh, too much mosquito. I can stay in a place, and a human body that is carrying at the it is kidney from a pig. That's genetically modified though, and the yeah, and now he's feeling better than before. The person, his name is Robert Rick Sulaiman or something. It's in Massachusetts Medical Institution, uh, they said MHC or something. Okay, and the doctors, few surgeon who did it, they are just saying that if like the things working out, and now he's making urine and creatinine or something from the blood is going out, some kind of what is kidney doing, like some kind of toxic from your blood is just taking out, and you know and now it's making pee, urine as well. So everything is working perfectly, after that. But there is still monitoring, and the person who have been sick for a long time, and you know the it's this is the first time. So what happened actually is it's just they're still monitoring. It's about 7 days, and they said that uh, everything is promising and improving, and he will be discharged soon, like from the hospital as well. They said, and the kidney, like maybe the dialysis quite expensive in my country, but in America they have kind of uh, insurance, health insurance like that. That is, they are getting it free sometimes or something. I don't know. I have a friend. She's always getting free for everything, even the medicine and the worker and everything. So, and she's kind of old. Oh, sorry. And they said that the dialysis would be obsolete if you know it works like that, and to the human. So, and in America as well, hundreds of thousands of kidney patients, and so you, the people, can find the organ from a dead or another human who donated. You know, a lot of kidney needed, but there are few kidneys, like maybe few thousand kidney they're getting every year or something. But hundreds and thousands of people are sick with kidney disease. They are on the dialysis, and it's taking a long time to get a kidneys for some reason in America. But in Bangladesh, it's kind of very much expensive, pricey, and some rules and regulation to get it. I'm not talking about this in Bangladesh yet, because this is just happening in America, Bangladesh. But one day, maybe, if it's really promising and it's working, so it will happen one day. And but there is a risk as well. I heard some of the surgeon before put a heart into a human, you know, from the pig, and the pig heart, but it first it was working, but few days later they died. Both of them, it was two people, so both of them died within a few days, maybe within a week. Still, they're monitoring the organ. That sometimes it could fail, like if it's not working properly. So they're still monitoring, and he's kind of better than before, walking on the hall and talking as well. And and why he did it, he said that, like, he had transplanted kidney a long time ago, but it failed too at some time. So he was kind of working with that dialysis thing, and dialysis, doing the dialysis. And then at some point the doctor told, and he was also like despondent. Then the doctor also told him that, okay, if you think about that, then we this is kind of experimental. So then he was asking a lot of questions to the doctor, but finally he agreed, because he said that, because not only for myself, but I think that will help a lot of people in future if it's working. So he was thinking, like, you know generously. So that was kind of a, like, good things. But the animal who are protecting the animal organization or something, they are backlashes. Like, they were saying something, that the pigs killing an animals, killing an animals, or what, and getting the kidneys or something. They said that they stopped doing that. Let animals be themselves. Like, let animal be alone. You know, don't take things like from the animal, because there's another reason. When you are taking animals organ, it could be dangerous. Like, okay, they're genetically modified, they are removing some kind of animal tissues and things from there. And because the animals and humans are totally different, there are some dissimilarities, and that will not accept. But they say that they were, in the lab doing everything, and they put some human tissues. What is it? Tissues or something? I'm not very much sure about that. They put it some human um, genes or something, and remove some. Still, there is some kind of viruses and other things that animals carrying, that could be another epidemic in future. They say that if they use the animal things a lot like that. uh, that was from the animals rights activist or something that was saying that, or some pandemic could happen, because the animals and humans are totally different, they said. Because in future it could be like some kind of pandemic, some kind of viruses, some kind of things, will can happen. So but he was improving day by day, and that's promising. And yeah, it's kind of surprising also, like, but if it happens, the country like us who are doing the dialysis, and really it's expensive dialysis, it's just sometimes break a family, it could be a good thing. And if it really works, works perfectly and without any problem. Too much mosquito. So that's a very good thing, and I'm really glad to hear that. Even I'm here, I'm making the video to tell you guys about this news. That's uh, in American, Massachusetts. That's a difficult name, like medical college or university or something. That is, the few thousand did that. And anything else I read? I maybe forgot many things, but and that is true, and that is kind of believable, and we wish that will work perfectly, because I think human life is most important than any other things, like than the animals. Like we are killing many animals and we are eating. So I think who are the activists who are saying that, but it's if it is about the virus, it's okay. But killing the animal, yeah, yeah. But humans is very important, like most important. Like in our religion, Muslim, they say that human lives are like human is just the best creature of Allah. So that's it. Like, and yeah, okay. Thank you for listening. Who are going to listen? I'm going to end the video because the mosquito is just coming too much if I'm stay here. Okay, goodbye. Have a good time.